Savitribai Phule, Pune University Affiliated College, JIT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Badminton, presented by Justice Sunita Kautik Rao, Physical Director. Badminton is not just about strength but about determination. Badminton is a sport which requires a lot of stamina, agility and speed. It is played at recreational as well as professional level. The main objective of the game is to keep hitting the shuttlecock back and forth until it drops and a point is given to the player who scores. The game has two major formats: singles and doubles. Both men and women are eligible to play the sport. A shuttlecock, racket and net are the basic equipment one requires to play. Badminton is a 2000-year-old sport organizing from ancient civilization to Europe and Asia. It was earlier known as battledore, meaning bat or paddle, and shuttlecock. In India, however, a modern form of this game was played known as Pune, named after the British garrison town of Pune. The sport is played in the Olympic Games, Commonwealth as well as the Asian Games, along with several World Championships and tournaments organized by Badminton World Federation and domestic tournaments by the Badminton Association of India. Badminton court, net and post 1.56 meter to 6 and 6 feet 1 meter. Badminton court. The court has to be rectangular shape with a net in the middle, dividing and court into two halves and make out with 40 mm white lines. The dimensions of the court are of 13.4 meter, 54 feet long and 6.1 meter, 20 feet wide. The badminton posts are 55 meters, 5 feet 1 in height and must remain perfectly vertical when attached to the strength net. To ensure visibility and safety, the 6.1 meter wide net is made from fine dark and cord and with a main of between 15.20 mm. The cord should be made by center and line which demarcates the width by a short service line and at the distance of 6 feet 6 inch from the net and by the outer side and back boundaries. For a double court, the remaking must be done via a long service line which is exactly 2 feet 6 inches from the back boundary. Players. The badminton match can have either two or four players on the court at the given time. In the game of doubles, after a service is returned, both players are then able to hit the shuttlecock and are not required to take it in turns. Types of matches. Competitive badminton games has 5 different types of event. They are men's single, women's single, men's double, women's double. Mixed doubles, each team is made up of men and women. Rules of badminton. The game has two main formats which are comprised of single and double. Singles consist of two players, one on each side of the net, and doubles consist of four players, two on each side of the net. The main objective of the game is to hit the shuttlecock and racket and keep hitting back and forth without letting the shuttlecock touch the ground. Scoring system. A match consists of the best of 3 games of 21 points. Every time there is a serve, there is a point scored. The side winning a rally adds a point or to its score. At 20 all, the side which gains a 2-point lead first wins that game. At 29 all, the side scoring the 13th point wins that game. The side winning a game serve first in the next game. Interval and change the end. When the leading score reaches 11 points, players have a 60-second interval. A 2-minute interval between each game is allowed. In the tied game, players change end when the leading score reaches 11 points. Singles. At the beginning of the game and when the server score is even and the server serves from the right service court, when the server score is odd the server serves from the left service court. If the server wins a rally, the server scores a point and then serves again from the ultimate service court. Of the receiver wins a rally, the receiver scores a point and becomes the new server. They serve from the appropriate service court. Left if their score is odd and right if it is even. Doubles. A side has only one set. At the beginning of the game and when the score is even the server serves from the right service court. When it is odd, the server serves from the left court. If the serving side wins a rally and the serving side scores a point and the same server serves again from the alternate service code. If the receiving side wins rally, the receiving side scores a point, the receiving side becomes the new serving side. The players do not change that respective service codes until they win a point when their side is serving. Thank you.